In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate eBay like a pro. Whether you're a frequent buyer or someone just getting started, understanding how to manage your account effectively can make all the difference. So let's dive in and simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to head over to eBay. This can be done by simply opening up your preferred web browser and typing in eBay in the search bar. Or if you have the eBay app, just tap to open it. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a variety of options and features designed to make your shopping experience seamless. But today, our focus is on managing your account settings, particularly in checking messages or adjusting any necessary details in your profile. Next, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen where you'll see an icon or your profile name. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll choose Account Settings. This section is essentially your command center for anything related to your personal information, payment methods, or even site preferences. Once you've clicked on Account Settings, a new page will load showing various options on the left panel. Among these options, you'll find Messages. Clicking on Messages will take you to a dedicated area where you can manage and view all communications. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of your buying and selling activities, as well as resolving any potential disputes or tracking your correspondence with other users. And that's about it. With just these simple steps, you're able to navigate to your account settings and access your messages on eBay. It's moments like these that showcase the importance of understanding the foundational aspects of platforms we use regularly. By devoting a little time to learning these basics, you set yourself up for a smoother, more efficient shopping experience. If you ever find yourself needing a refresher on these steps, feel free to revisit this video. Understanding the layout and features available to you as a user can help prevent any hiccups, and knowing where to find your messages can save you time and hassle in your buying or selling journey. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these tips make navigating eBay a more effortless experience for you. Remember, the more you explore, the more likely you are to uncover additional features that can enhance your user experience even further, so feel free to click around and get comfortable with the interface. Have a great day.